Migrating infrastructure is a complex and sensitive process that, when it is done correctly, can be a huge boon to an organization. When it's done incorrectly, it can be an organizational nightmare. Let's understand the benefits of migrating infrastructure to cloud. 1. Most compelling reason is the agility and flexibility that the cloud provides. With on-premises infrastructure, organizations are often limited by their own resources and capacity. In the cloud, they can scale up or down as needed, without having to make significant upfront investments. 2. Another key benefit of migrating to the cloud is the cost savings that can be achieved. This is because they no longer need to maintain and support their own on-premises infrastructure. 3. Migrating to the cloud can also help organizations to improve their disaster recovery and business continuity plans. With on-premises infrastructure, organizations are reliant on their own backup and disaster recovery systems. In the cloud, they can take advantage of the cloud provider's robust and reliable systems. Now we will best approach to follow while migrating infrastructure. 1. One of the most important aspects of migrating infrastructure is ensuring that all data is properly migrated, includes both active data and inactive data. Both types of data need to be properly migrated in order to avoid disruptions to the organization. 2. Another important aspect of migrating infrastructure is ensuring that all applications and services are properly migrated, includes both critical applications and non-critical applications. Both types of applications need to be properly migrated in order to avoid disruptions to the organization.